Don't have time to garden, but still want full sun blooms all summer long? These 15 perennials are so low maintenance, they practically garden themselves. Russian sage is that wispy, silver-blue perennial that sways in the sun and doesn't flinch in the heat. It looks delicate, but don't be fooled. It's one of the toughest plants you can grow. Once established, it needs almost no water and shrugs off pests like a pro. It thrives in full sun and poor soil, which makes it perfect for gardeners who want impact without the effort. In midsummer, its purple flower spikes attract pollinators and give off a soft, herbal scent. The best part? Russian sage gets bigger and better every year without spreading like a weed. It's architectural, airy, and a total sun lover. If you want non-stop color, blanket flower has your back. With its warm red and yellow petals, it brings the feeling of sunshine right into your flower beds. Gaillardia blooms from early summer to frost and never seems to stop, even if you forget to deadhead. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in the hottest, driest corners of your yard. Plus, it's deer-resistant and pollinator-friendly. This is the plant that rewards neglect with fireworks. Catmint is the plant that keeps on giving. It starts blooming in spring, and with just a little trimming, it keeps blooming through summer. Its soft lavender blue flowers and aromatic leaves make it a favorite not just for humans, but bees and butterflies too. And unlike its cousin catnip, this plant stays in neat, mounding form. It's also resistant to drought and rabbits. So if you're lazy and have critters, this is your dream plant. Coneflowers are like the sunflowers of the perennial world. Upright, cheerful, and totally unfussy. They bloom all summer long, laugh in the face of drought, and are loved by pollinators. Even when the flowers fade, the seed heads look beautiful and provide food for birds. Plant them once, and they'll keep coming back stronger with minimal care. Perfect for sunny borders and lazy gardeners alike. Coreopsis, also called Tickseed, might be one of the most underrated sunshine perennials. Its bright yellow flowers dance in the breeze and pair beautifully with grasses or blues. It's heat-tolerant, long-blooming, and super forgiving. Forget to water it? It's fine. Forgot it even existed? It'll still bloom like it loves you. Plant it en masse for a sunny meadow look without ever needing to mow or fuss. Yarrow is the one-stop shop for dry, full sun areas. Flat flower clusters in colors from soft pink to bold red bloom above feathery, fern-like foliage. It's not picky about soil, water, or attention. Yarrow will naturalize if you let it, and stays tidy if you don't. Bonus: it's a magnet for pollinators, and deer want nothing to do with it. Sedum is a succulent perennial with serious staying power. Autumn Joy starts out green, then transitions to soft pink, and finally deep copper by fall. It thrives in the hottest spots, doesn't mind poor soil, and basically requires nothing from you. It even holds its shape in winter. Low water, low fuss, high impact. That's the lazy gardener's dream combo. Salvia is the overachiever of the full sun garden. It puts out spires of purple or blue flowers and keeps going if you give it a quick haircut. It's incredibly drought-tolerant and deer-resistant. You'll barely need to water it, and it will still attract tons of bees and hummingbirds. Salvia adds vertical interest without demanding attention. That's why gardeners keep planting more of it every year. Cheerful and classic, Black-eyed Susans scream summer. With golden yellow petals and deep brown centers, they brighten up any sunny spot. They bloom for months and require almost no maintenance. Even in poor soil or dry conditions, they keep standing tall. They also spread slowly over time, creating bigger drifts of color without taking over. A true backbone perennial. You know it, you love it. Lavender is beautiful, fragrant, and tough as nails. It thrives in sunny, dry spots where other plants might struggle. Its silvery foliage adds contrast even when not in bloom. And when it is in bloom, the scent is heavenly. Lavender doesn't just look good. It works hard attracting pollinators and repelling deer. Daylilies are the definition of plant and forget. These perennials form clumps of grassy foliage and send up tall flower stalks in all colors imaginable. Each bloom lasts one day, but don't worry, they keep coming. Even with no fertilizing, no deadheading, and no complaints. If you want easy color from midsummer onward, this is your plant. With its tall, trumpet-shaped blooms, Beardtongue, or penstemon, is like fireworks for your garden. It blooms in reds, pinks, purples, and whites. It loves heat and sunshine and doesn't need rich soil to perform. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and fuss-free. Best of all, it's a hummingbird magnet. Add it for drama without the drama. Tickseed's golden flowers float above thread-like leaves and brighten any sunny bed. It blooms like it's on a mission, needing almost no help from you. Once it's in, it handles dry spells and tough soil with ease. Just give it sun and let it go. It pairs well with purple blooms or grasses for a low-maintenance prairie-style garden. Bright orange blooms, sturdy stems, and zero complaints. That's butterfly weed for you. It's native, tough, and adored by butterflies. Once planted, it requires no fuss. In fact, it resents overwatering or rich soil. If you want a pollinator paradise with a wild, sunny vibe, this one's a winner. For an exotic flair, Red Hot Poker delivers. Its torch-like flowers in red, orange, and yellow are heat-loving and drought-resistant. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Once it's happy, it'll keep coming back, bold as ever. It's the kind of plant that looks like high effort, but really isn't. A true show-off with zero drama. So if you're the kind of gardener who loves sunshine but not sweat, these 15 perennials are your best friends. They're beautiful, bold, and most importantly, they don't need babysitting. Which one are you planting this summer? Let me know in the comments.